Hey beautiful, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazingly delicious, very easy jerk inspired chicken in a cast iron pot. The most tender, juicy, fall apart chicken. You have to try it.
Wow, how amazing is this chicken? It's so pull apart tender and it's delicious. Here are the list of ingredients necessary for the marinade, plus a 4.5 to 5 pound chicken. All of the marinade ingredients are dumped into a food processor.
I will be the best.
I should have put it in a blender, but what the heck.
Vinegar and kiwi are added to the marinade. The kiwi also acts as a tenderizing agent for the chicken, and of course some beautiful habanero pepper. The spice mix is also added into the mixture, allspice being the key ingredient here.
A little taste. It's perfect. Before I season the chicken, I'm going to make sort of a rack, if you will, because I don't have a rack that fits the cast iron pan. Just take a piece of tin foil. That's it, just something for the chicken to sit on. I don't want the chicken swimming in the juices that it's going to release. I have here a 4.5 5-pound chicken, organic. They're much more tender. And really what I want to do is just get all of this jerk seasoning in here. Ooh, that's going to be really good. And I'm just going to get my hands in here and slobber it. You could leave this for a few hours or overnight, but honestly, the way the chicken is going to be cooked, you really don't need that. And now I'm going to get it into the pot. And I'm going to actually get all of this marinade in here. Wow. Oh, that pepper. Wash my hands. And I have my beautiful cast iron cover. Okay, so this is ready for the oven. It's going to bake at 450 degrees. Let's see what's happening here.
The chicken baked for 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's steamed and tenderized. I transfer it to the cover and return it to the oven.
What I want to do is put it back in the oven for about maybe 10 minutes. Wow, look at this. How gorgeous is she? It smells even better. Wow.
I use the marinade as a sauce.
All that herbaceous marinade. Beautiful. It's a lot of goodness. Time to dig in. Wow. Wow. It just falls apart. You don't even need a knife. Look at that. Look at this. The most tender, juicy, fall apart chicken. You have to try it. Wow, it has the right amount of spiciness for us. The flavor is brilliant. It's a hit. I love it. So I do hope that you take the time to try this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking.